In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect link after Jotform submission. If you want your form to send people to a custom page after they hit submit, maybe a thank you page on your site, a download, a booking calendar, or a special offer, this walkthrough will make it simple and reliable. Start by opening your browser and heading to jotform.com. Sign into your account so you can access the form you want to update. On the left side of the dashboard, click the All option to view your forms. This brings up your full list so you can quickly find the right one. Choose the form you want to modify and click Edit Form to open it in the builder. Once the form is open, move to the top navigation and select the Settings tab. This is where Jotform keeps form-level controls, including what happens after a submission. In the Settings area, look over to the left menu and click Thank You Page. By default, Jotform shows an on-screen message after someone submits. We're going to switch that to a redirect. In the Thank You Page panel, enable redirect to an external link after submission. Turning this on tells Jotform to send users to a URL you choose instead of showing the built-in message. You'll now see a field where you can enter the destination address. Paste or type the full URL of the page you want people to land on. Make sure it starts with HTTPS for a secure and trustworthy redirect. If you're sending users to a file, a calendar, or a landing page, use the official share link from that service. Avoid links that require a login unless you specifically want only signed-in users to see the page. If your redirect page needs to track campaigns, you can include UTM parameters in the link, and if you use dynamic field values, confirm that the placeholders match your form's field identifiers. Jotform saves these settings automatically, so you don't need an extra save step. For peace of mind, click Preview or go to the Publish tab, copy the form link, and do a quick test submission. Submit the form as a user would and confirm you land exactly where you expect. If the redirect doesn't trigger, double check that the redirect option is enabled and that the URL is valid and reachable on both desktop and mobile. That's all there is to it. You went to Jotform, opened your form, switched to settings, selected thank you page, enabled the external redirect, and added your URL. With this in place, every successful submission will smoothly send users to the page that best continues their journey.